Effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Oxygen is the most essential element for sustainable life and is involved in various reactions in our daily life. We breathe oxygen, right? And without oxygen, like, we would not be able to live. Now, corrosion. The process of deterioration of the metals due to attack of atmospheric gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, etc. on the surface of the metals so as to convert the metal into oxide, carbonate, sulfide, etc. is known as corrosion. Examples: when an iron particle remains exposed to moist air for a long time, its surface gets covered with a brown flaky substance called rust, and the process is called rusting. Okay, so rusting is an example of corrosion. Copper objects lose their luster after some time. In the presence of moist air, a thin film of basic copper carbonate, which is green in color, is formed on the surface and therefore it corrodes. Silver metal gets tarnished in an atmosphere containing traces of hydrogen sulfide due to the formation of black silver sulfide. Now we'll see the prevention of corrosion. Corrosion can be prevented by painting the surface with a layer of oil paints, greasing and oiling the surface of iron articles such as mechanical tools, machine parts, etc. Then, galvanization. We studied it earlier, I guess, in 7th or 8th standard. We already studied corrosion and prevention of corrosion. Just these formulas are new to us. Chemical reactions, sorry, not formulas. Therefore, coating the surface of iron objects with a thin layer of zinc. The coating of zinc is known as galvanization. Electroplating the surface of metal with tin, nickel, zinc, chromium, aluminium, etc. Rancidity. We have often noticed that a food containing oil or fat, if left for a long time, develops a bad taste and bad smell. This is because the oils and fats present in such foods get oxidized with the passage of time. The products formed as the result of this oxidation are volatile and have bad smell. For this reason, the taste of the food also changes. The oxidation of oils or fats present in the food resulting into bad smell and bad taste is called rancidity. Now we'll see the prevention of rancidity. Rancidity of food can be prevented or retarded by adding antioxidants or chemicals which prevent oxidation and subsequent spoilage of food, packing foods containing fat and oil with nitrogen gas, refrigeration of foodstuffs, vacuum packing, storing food in airtight containers, storing food away from light. So these were the prevention of rancidity. Now we'll study combustion. A chemical reaction in which a substance undergoes oxidation by burning in presence of air, in sense they are saying oxygen, and gets converted into carbon dioxide and water is called a combustion reaction. For example, kerosene, coal, charcoal, wood, etc. burn in air and thus undergo combustion. Methane, a major constituent of natural gas, undergoes combustion in excess of oxygen upon heating. Methane plus oxygen is carbon dioxide plus water. Olympiad bite. Combustion is useful in our day-to-day life, but it has some harmful effects too. The environmental pollution is due to the combustion of different products like petroleum. Poisonous gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide are being released in the atmosphere as a result of combustion reaction. Now self-test 3. Rancidity involves A. Oxidation of food only, B. Reduction of food only, C. Oxidation or reduction of food, D. Enhancement of the quality of food. Correct answer is A. Oxidation of food only. The process of combustion is an oxidation reaction which is exothermic. Okay, combustion is exothermic. Which of the following is not the method of preventing rancidity? बाय रेफ्रिजरेशन हमने पढ़ा था, बाय वैक्यूम पैकिंग भी पढ़ा था, कीपिंग अवे फ्रॉम लाइट भी पढ़ा था, बाय इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग तो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करोजन में आया ना, इट्स नॉट द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ रैंसिडिटी. सो electroplating is the correct answer. Necessary condition for rusting is presence of air only, presence of water only, presence of both air and water, presence of dry air. So the correct answer is C, presence of both air and water. The chemical formula of rust is dash and its formation is dash reaction. Correct answer is C. Thank you.